SEO content writing tutorial, vertical bar, how to write SEO-friendly article that ranks on Google. To begin, let's understand the basics of SEO or search engine optimization. SEO is the practice of optimizing your content to improve its visibility on search engines like Google. The first step in writing an SEO-friendly article is keyword research. Identify relevant keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush can help you find these keywords. Next, organize your content into a clear structure with headings and subheadings. As you write, incorporate your chosen keywords naturally into your content. Avoid keyword stuffing, as this can negatively impact your ranking. Don't forget about meta tags and descriptions. These are the snippets of text that appear in search results and can greatly influence click-through rates. Lastly, before publishing, proofread and edit your article for clarity, grammar, and spelling errors. By following these steps, you can create SEO-friendly articles that not only rank high on Google, but also resonate with your audience and drive organic traffic to your website. Thank you for watching our SEO content writing tutorial. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials on digital marketing and content creation.